Monster Truck Rally. I wonder if it plays like Aussie Pro, but then I never heard of this game. But it's also 4-player. Oh, okay, it could be good. Let's go race right now. Get ready to roll for combo course, alright? Whoa, 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 whoa. You have to keep pressing A. Dang it. No, it's not like Aussie Program. This game is not as fun. Oh. Wait, am I pressing? I'm just holding A. Oh, wait, wait. Is that going uphill? Oh, I couldn't tell what that is, man. This graphic sucks. Okay, now I'm going uphill, right? Yep. Dude, this is so hard to tell. There's no music, it's just this. Sometimes I'm just pressing A. Okay, I'm just keep pressing jamming A here, you see? I know it's a Nintendo game, I just showed the Super Nintendo controller because I realized that the control scheme is different for the emulator or the mini classic system that I'm using here. Dang it, what the heck? I don't know if you hold down the button or what. I'm not sure what the numbers indicate. Is there anybody else behind me? I'm number 3, right? And the other person's number 2? What the heck? Oh, wait. Looks like the beginning. Yeah, it does. Oh, come on. I think it looks like the beginning. I can't tell anymore. Oh, yeah. I'm rolling up the hill. I remember this point. And then there's another one. Soon. If I don't keep messing up here. I don't know. Man, how many laps is this? Oh, I don't have enough horsepower? Huh, that's weird. So I do hold down A. You know what? I don't understand the concept of this game. It might be just how I'm looking at this game, but it doesn't look like a monster truck to me. I can't find this game any exciting. It could just be me. I'm not playing really well here. Oh, what the heck? Wait, I'm supposed to go this way, right? I have no idea. Am I going the right way? What just happened? What's that noise? Okay. No, I'm holding A now. Ooh. Really, just a little thing you had to wipe out? Okay, I think the concept is that... Oh, I'm not running laps. I don't remember seeing this. It feels like the real thing. I guess you have to apply the gas again. Or accelerator. Make it. Oh, here we go. I'm doing something. Oh my god, that was one lap. It took me 5 minutes just to finish one lap. I'm not gonna see the other guy, am I? Let's go. Ooh. I was at least like head to head something. I can't remember what the other truck looks like now. Was it red? Ah. What? I'm going downhill. What did you hit? Ah. I gotta wait for that to come down. Oh my gosh. There we go. Can't believe this crap. Well, it's too sensitive. Oh, I didn't hit any of those cars. So if I'm holding A and then I press B, nothing happens. Whoa! Maybe to help a little, I'm not sure. Maybe there's a reason why I know Aussie program and not this game. I mean, look at this. One lap is a long time. Oh, gosh. Oh, that would have been a cool jump, huh? If I would have made it. Whoa, wait. Oh. See, look. They got me all turned around. Oh, I'm stalling here. That's it. I'm calling it.